Okay, in this section, we're going to learn how to create our project. So once again, things may be a little bit different depending on what editing program you're using, but hopefully this will give you a good idea. So to create a new project, we can either click here where it says New Project or go to File, New, and then choose Project. And then we're going to, of course, name this. Always take the time so that you can, and we'll call this video demo, so that you actually have you'll be able to organize and find your project here. Just going untitled is going to make it more difficult. Now, this is really important, particularly in Premiere Pro. It's going to want to put it on your internal hard drive under all of this crap, which is not very good. So if we click Browse here, once again, if you guys remember, on my desktop, I have the folder called Time Arts. I don't want you guys to put it on the desktop because that's still going to have it on your laptop drive. You should have it on your external hard drive down here. And then I'm just going to navigate from my Time Arts folder on my external hard drive to my video project folder or whatever you named it. Then click Choose. Now that's set up. The other nice thing that this does is also sets your scratch disk, which is extra files that Premiere Pro might write onto that external drive as well, so that you're not using up all the space on your laptop drive. Once you've got that all set, hit OK, and then it'll create that folder for you. Let's talk a little bit also now about importing your media. So if we click down here where it says import media to start, just double click there, and then you can see by default it's going to put it in that video project drive, and then we moved all of our video files over here into that folder. So we can just select all these, hit import. It'll take a second and then it'll import everything into the project. In the next section, I'm going to talk about how to create a new sequence, which is going to go in your timeline down here, and how to set in and out points on your video so that you know where you want your clips to start and end.